But I think there's times where we need to then take what we're learning on those screens and then put it into a kind of real life situation. And there's some great examples over professionals and colleagues I've met over the years. There's one childminder who's was involved in a piece of research that I'm doing at the moment. And they do things like, she's got a forest school nursery. So they search up different animals on the iPad for the kids, and then they leave the iPad. They go armed with pictures of it that the kids have drawn or that have been, printed out or whatever. And they go looking in the forest for these bugs or these animals and stuff. So that's a really nice way to show how you can actually use digital devices in a very productive way and have the kids learning and having them active at the same time.